Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Canon TC-21M scanner to transform letter-sized documents into larger prints, perfect for classrooms, retail stores, restaurants, or even architectural projects. Place your document face down on the scanner bed. Ensure it's aligned properly with the edges for an accurate scan. Using the intuitive LCD, you can make this enlargement without the need of a computer. The user-friendly interface will guide you through this process. You can select the option to enlarge your scan. The TC-21M allows you to scale letter-sized documents up to an impressive 24 inches wide, perfect for posters, hand-drawn designs, or visual aids. Want to create a larger composite image? The TC-21M can scan multiple pages and seamlessly stitch them together into one big poster. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to scan each page in order. Once you've completed your scan, review the preview to ensure it looks perfect. Then hit print and watch as the Canon TC-21M turns your letter-sized design into a bold, oversized statement piece. And that's it! With the Canon TC-21M, enlarging your documents has never been easier. Whether you're crafting an eye-catching sign or a detailed architectural plan, this printer-scanner combo has you covered. Thanks for watching and happy scanning!